with a view to updating the students pursuing PG course in geoscience and degree courses in mining, metallurgy, material and mineral engineering in reputed universities and institutions, Society of Geoscientists and Allied Technologists has been organizing mineral development awareness program for the last 31 years on annual basis. Due to COVID-19 restrictions, there was a break in 2020 and 2021 when the program could not be arranged in physical mode. But after it subsided and the restrictions were lifted, SGAT resolved to organize it in physical mode again in 2022. This year's program was held from 26th to 28th August in Joda Mining and Industrial Area of Keonjhar District, Odisha. The program was held in collaboration with Department of Steel and Mines, Government of Odisha, Rungta Sons, Tata Steel, Long Products, SL Mining and Industries, SN Mohanty, MGM Minerals, Gitarani Mohanty, Sarada Mines, Jindal Steel and Power and JSW Steel. The entire program was sponsored by Tata Steel. The SGAT team to manage the event were Alok Bihari Panigrahi, Sujit Kumar Mohanty, Trilochan Mahanta, Anup Kumar Raut, Mayadhar Behera, Gurucharan Das, Jadavananda Das, Tapas Kumar Ratha. 7 members of the team started for Joda on 25th August from SGAT office, and at Cuttack, Gurucharan Das joined the team. This was the first time in the last 31 years when this program was being arranged without the direct involvement of Sri B.K. Mohanty, patron of SGAT, who himself shouldered and controlled 90% of the activities of the event every year. The present SGAT team had obvious doubts in their minds and were skeptical about the successful conduct and completion of the program. To overcome the doubts and to gain mental strength, the team visited on the way the holy shrine of Ghotgaon and paid homage to Goddess Tarini. Thereafter, as they proceeded further, a grand welcome by the Joint Director Geology Keonjhar was waiting for the team. The members of the team spent about a couple of hours there and planted a tree as a token of memory of visit to the office of the Joint Director Geology Keonjhar. A total of 25 teams from different institutions of West Bengal, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Telangana, Uttar Pradesh and Odisha participated in the program. They were divided into 3 groups. The first group comprised students of geology, geophysics and applied geology, in which there were 12 teams. The second group were 7 teams of mining engineering. In the third group, there were 6 teams of metallurgy, materials and mineral engineering discipline. Out of the 12 teams of geoscience, 6 teams were from Dharanidhar Autonomous College, Keonjhar, Revansha University, Cuttack, Utkal University, Bhubaneswar, Jadavpur University, Kolkata, University of Kolkata and Maharaja Sri Ramchandra Bhanjadev University, Keonjhar. The remaining 6 teams of geoscience were from IIT Bhubaneswar, NIT Rourkela, Sambalpur University Burla, Fakirmohan University Baleshwar, NIT Raipur and University of Allahabad Prayagraj. 7 teams of mining engineering were from AKS University Satna, Government College of Engineering Keonjhar, University College of Engineering, Kakotia University Kathagudam, Indian School of Mines Dhanbad, NIT Raipur, NIT Rourkela and IIEST Shivpur. In the discipline of metallurgy, material and mineral engineering, 5 teams of metallurgical and materials engineering were from Government College of Engineering Keonjhar, NIT Rourkela, IGIT Sarang, IIT Bhubaneswar and IIEST Shivpur. With them was 1 team of mineral engineering from Government College of Engineering Keonjhar. The program started with registration followed by welcome address, identification of specimens of rock, minerals, ores and metallurgical products, interpretation of satellite imageries by geoscience students, identification of photographs of mining machineries by mining engineers, engineering students, and identification of photographs of metallurgical processes and products by students of metallurgy, material and mineral engineering discipline. Visit to mines, haulage systems, environment protection measures, metallurgical plant and water harvesting structure. Oral quiz, valedictory and prize distribution function. The first four were scheduled for 26th August. Field visit was arranged for 27th August and the last two, that is oral quiz and valedictory function, were on 28th August. During registration, the participants were asked to verify the correct spelling of their names and the names of their institutions. They were distributed SGAT t-shirts and face masks. After the participating students took their respective seats earmarked for them, the event was anchored by Sri Jadavananda Das, Member Executive Council SGAT. Sri Sanjay Kumar Bhuya, Principal Geologist, Joda East and Khanband Iron Ore Mines of Tata Steel, welcoming the participants and imparting safety tips that were to be followed during their stay in Joda. Sri Alok Bihari Panigrahi, former Controller of Mines, Indian Bureau of Mines and Vice President SGAT, welcoming the participants and briefing them about the program. Sri Gurucharan Das, former Director, Geological Survey of India and Member, Executive Council SGAT, conducting the identification of specimens of rocks, minerals, ores and metallurgical products. Interpretation of satellite imagery is being conducted for students of Geoscience by Sri Anup Kumar Raut, former Director of Geology, Odisha and Treasurer SGAT. Identification of photographs of mining machineries, metallurgical processes and products being conducted by Sri Trilochan Mahanta, former Joint Director Geology, Odisha and General Secretary SGAT. On 27th August morning, the participants happily put on the SGAT t-shirts and were ready in their respective guest houses for the field visit. All participants from different guest houses were brought to Mahanadi guest house of Tata Steel, where all of them were provided with safety jackets and helmets. Then they were sent for the field visit. They visited Joda West Manganese Mine and Joda East Iron Ore Mines of Tata Steel, Sponge Iron Plant of Tata Steel Long Products Limited at Bilaypada and the water harvesting structure of Joda East. After the field visit, they came back to Valley Club of Joda in the evening and started sharing their experiences. In the picture, Sweta Pani of DD Autonomous College, Keonjhar, describing the events of the day. Similarly, Supriya Singh of University of Allahabad sharing her feelings. The participants were addressed by Sri Hirak Majumdar, Managing Director, Rungta Sons Private Limited. On 28th August morning, the oral quiz was conducted by Sri Trilochan Mahanta, General Secretary SGAT. One team at a time were called to the front and quiz questions were asked to them. In the oral quiz, 5 subject-specific questions on the discipline they belong to and 5 general questions in the sets selected by them were asked to each team. For convenience of participants, one question was displayed at a time on the screen. Each question carried 6 marks and time allowed to answer the question was of 30 seconds, after which the next question appeared. At the end of the 5th question, answers for all the questions in that set were displayed. Sri Atul Bhatnagar, General Manager, OMQ, Tata Steel, graced the valedictory and prize distribution function as chief guest. Sri Dinesh Agrawal, Deputy Director Mines, Joda, was the guest of honor of the occasion. Sri Alok Bihari Panigrahi, Vice President SGAT, welcoming the guests and briefing them about the program. Shweta Pani of DD Autonomous College, Keonjhar and M. Sandeep of University College of Engineering, Kakotia University, Kathagodam, sharing their experiences in the program. Guest of honor Sri Dinesh Agrawal, Deputy Director of Mines, Joda, and later the Chief Guest Atul Bhatnagar, General Manager OMQ, Tata Steel, addressing the participants. Aditi Ghosh and Swarnindu Mandal of Department of Geological Sciences, Jadavpur University, Kolkata, receiving the overall third team prize from Sri Dinesh Agrawal. Sayani Chatterjee and S.S. Soham Mohanty of School of Earth, Ocean and Climatic Sciences, IIT Bhubaneswar, receiving the overall second team prize from the guest of honor. Ayushman Tiwari and Vedant Kothia of Department of Mining Engineering, IIT ISM Dhanbad, receiving the overall best team trophy from Sri Atul Bhatnagar and Sri Alok Bihari Panigrahi. Sri Sujit Kumar Mohanty, Vice President SGAT, offering vote of thanks to organizers, collaborators, sponsors and the participants. Organizers and participants together at Valley Club Joda for sweet memory. Thank you for your patient hearing.